Hi there guys, welcome to Benji's Foods. Now today we're in Manchester, Old Trafford, trying out this burger spot called MLK Burgers. Let's go check it out and see what it's like. However, before we do that, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Let's go in now. Okay guys, so we're in the restaurant now, just waiting for the food to be made. Now I've ordered the Angus burger, the classic Nashville burger, and also some strips on the side. Now MLK stands for Mama Lahore's Kitchen, so it has a Pakistani origin. The food is really nice.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so my food has arrived. I've got the curly fries, I've got the honey barbecue strips with the Nashville strips. I've also got the buffalo wings, and not the final but not least, I've got the Nashville burger, that's really good, and also the classic Angus. Now in terms of classic Angus, I've requested for it to be with mayo instead of chipotle sauce, but let's give it a try and see how it tastes. Okay guys, so we're here now, trying out the food. Going first with the chips. Can't go wrong with the chips. The food smells delicious. Also looks delicious too, the way it's presented. I feel like I'm in a restaurant. But these are really nice. We have got the buffalo wings, so really tasty. Nice and piping hot as well. And it's also got some sesame seeds on top as well. You can see it through the camera. We've also got the burger as well, the Nashville burger. Now I've been hearing great reviews about this burger. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, let's go straight in. Nashville burger, it's really nice. It has a nice spice to it. It also has some lettuce, onions, pickles, and also some mayo on the top as well. You can't go wrong with this burger. Just look at it, how big it is as well. On the bun, it's nice and soft and tasty. I'm also going to try the Nashville strips. It's really nice and tasty. Strips are nice and healthy, not no small size like you'd get in some other shops, and also the chicken's nice and fresh, and also the fried chicken layering, the coating is nice and crispy and not soggy, just how you like it. We've also got the onion barbecue strips as well, which taste really good, and the buffalo wings as well. Let's give these a try and see how they taste. Flavor, not too spicy as well, but also gives you a nice little kick at the end. The black sesame seeds also complement the meal and makes it taste nice. classic Angus burger. Now people have been saying that this is better than Five Guys. Now let me be the judge of this because I do like Five Guys, but as I can see from the presentation, it looks really nice, and it looks like the beef is really succulent and fresh. Let's give it a taste. Now after trying the burger, I can definitely say that this is just, if not better than actual Five Guys burgers. And also the price is not too bad compared to Five Guys. It's nice and succulent, but also if you wanted to beef up a little bit, they've got a menu where you can beef it up and also add some chicken into the beef burger as well. Now, in terms of MLK was the first ones in Manchester to offer a loaded box chicken wings. Now that included the buffalo chicken wings, the honey barbecue, and also the Nashville wings and some fried classic wings, all in the same box. It's really good, great for value, and I'd recommend it for anybody that would come to the place as well. Okay guys, so I finished the food now. Now I was very impressed with the food itself. I'd give this probably a good 5 out of 5. That's actually no joke, it's really good. It had a lot of flavour, it came really fresh, nice and warm. The chicken was nice and fresh too. And also the beef was really good. And also for my Muslim brothers and sisters, the food is all halal. So you won't have to worry about that as well. But yeah, I'd say try this place out, you won't be disappointed, and we'll go from there. This place was originally started in 2020. It was started in a small kitchen unit in Longside. Then the demand got so big that I had to open this place that we're at today. Oh, I can't get my words out. The food from there, I've had plenty of reviews from other people, and I've been speaking to some of the other customers as well in the store, and they've also been saying that the food is actually 10/10 as well. So yeah, if you're in Manchester and Old Trafford, don't forget to pop round and try it out. Also, the place has ample amount of parking at the front and also at the back, I think. So just give it a try, and yeah, you won't be disappointed. I'll put the address in the description below so you can see where it is, and yeah. Wow, the food is great. I just probably say the food is probably the best in Manchester. Don't forget to try it out, but also don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so I've also finished off with a fitter roll with Kinder inside as well. So it's nice and chocolatey as well. Wow, all that chocolate. Let's give this a try.